있으면
어우, 그렇게, 그렇게.
맛있다.
You can eat this with this.
아, 아저씨.
Only if you like spicy. But you cannot eat spicy.
오, 네.
Yeah.
오, 잘 아시는데요? 에나.
내나 맛있는데?
Di saat yang lain lagi sibuk sama Teh Talua, Yusi dan Rio malah fokus explore sana-sini. Dari rempeyek udang, sampai ayam gulai. Ini sih emang sayang banget untuk dilewatin.
Yeah, you wanna try?
This is crispy deep fried beef lamb. It's actually quite popular here, just not for everyone. Yusi, wanna try a little?
No.
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it, you
Go
see.
for it. Just
Just a little, Yusi.
Yeah,
just try.